Hey, kia ora, everybody. Long time no see once again. Back with you. Another time lapse. Now, the design we were doing in today's video is called Haehae Pakati. Pakati Haehae, either way. Now, this is one of our more difficult designs, or it has a lot more processes to it. Now, you can see we started with the middle ridge right there. That's where the Pakati are going to go, which you will soon see later in this video. And what I'm currently cutting right there is called the Haehae. Haehae, Haehae. Now, Haehae means to cut, and that's what the name of that section of the design is called. As you can see, we kind of fast forward a little bit, just a little bit, so you see a big progress jump right there onto the mouth, as we did the exact same design on the mouth area there, just with a little separation with the rape. As you can see, if you want to see a time-lapse video of a rape, go to the video before this one. Now back to this design here, slowly doing the processes as we go along, designing the nose. And then eventually, one of the things about this is butting out those little sections of the design there. Sometimes I do leave wood tags and I forget to go back to them, but eventually, at the end of the day, we do go back to them and clean them up. And that's what we're currently doing right now, just getting all those little things out of the way. I feel like sometimes, man, with the little things on the carving, they tend to take the longest. But, staying with the processes and sticking with the plan, pretty much, is what we usually do, pretty much. And here we go again. You see me check cut on the forehead there, you will start to see that a little later. Not like later, but soon in the video. But yeah, I must say, with this piece, all I try to keep in mind was my uncle and simplicity, something he, well, from what I know, he would do within his carvings. And yeah, as I always mentioned, this was a form of closure for me, in remembering my uncle. And here we are. I designed the body. Now, just getting the body ready to do the Pakati, putting the check cut there on the wall, our first cuts that go in, right there. Now sharpening up real quick because it felt like a bit, how's it going? And getting all that excess timber out of the notches, right along down. Definitely is better to see this design being done in a time-lapse form. So here you go, Whanau. Not gonna lie, even I'm a bit in how do I say this? Invested in it, and I gotta remember I'm doing a voiceover. But yeah, these are the processes that I do in order to make it look like a Pakati, I should say. And there you go, right there. We get the other side cut in, and we start, or I start, I should say, evening up my walls, or keeping that angle way, pretty much. As a little presentation of a wakizashi chisel I got for my birthday a while ago. Then back to it. I believe I posted a clip about that chisel. Let's have a look at the clips down below as well. As you can see, almost done. But initially with this design, I look over it quite a lot, just to make sure pretty much that, it's to my liking. And then here we go, as I mentioned, on top of the head. Now you will see that being done in another video. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse this evening. It is currently 1 o'clock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, which helps me out a lot. And you guys have a beautiful day, night, or morning. Kia ora.